Hey guys, thanks for checking in. This is Ryan Knows Crypto. We got a couple news stories tonight. Robinhood's coming in. Coincheck got checked. AliPay and WeChat. This is how people get their money around in China. And let's talk about Coincalendar, another app I use to help time the markets. If you guys want to know where I'm coming from today, coming straight from the streets. Let's jump right in here. First thing, investing app Robinhood is launching a zero-fee cryptocurrency trading starting next month. I don't know if you guys know about Robinhood, but it's one of the most it's an iOS app. It's probably on Android too, but people use it to buy and sell stock. But what's different from Robinhood than E-Trade is Robinhood is zero fees. You can literally buy and sell stock with no fees, and if you're used to paying $4.95 or $5.95 a trade, this is a wonderful way to get started in investing. Just taking a look right now at their early access, we already got about 900,000 people in line or signed up for email alerts. So the question everybody wants to know is, what coins is everyone going to use on Robinhood? Well, when they start off, they said they're going to start off with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is wonderful because these are my favorite true coins, and they're the coins that I own the most of. Let's jump here. Next story coming up. Hackers stole $400 million from currency from Japanese exchange Coincheck. Now, I wouldn't quite say it was hacked. Basically, I'm pretty sure someone within the organization stole the money. And if you guys want to take a look at the chart here, we got NEM, which is the currency that was stolen earlier this week, trading around $1.97. Here it is crashing down to about 70-80 cents on the news. And then I think when everyone kind of sat back and looked at it, they thought, you know what? It's not really NEM's fault. This is just the currency that the hacker saw available. Hacker stole about $500 million. It could have been an inside job. And then it jumped back up to $1.03. No reason to blame the coin, just because it got stolen. And I also want to tell you guys another thing. If you know Japanese people or Japanese culture, something like this happens, they're going to pay it back. They're going to fall on their sword, and they're going to make sure that money gets returned to everyone. And it's not going to be like Mt. Gox, where they got hacked, stolen, shut down. This exchange will continually keep on going. So let's go to our next story. How Chinese Bitcoin buyers are getting around government ban. Let's see here. All right. So basically, China's kind of on lockdown when it comes to internet, and then even more so with the banks. So how are Chinese people loading up on their coins? Well, they're basically using an app here, and I'll take you back to my first logo here. The main one is WePay or WeChat and AliPay. Now these are chat programs made by Tencent, the mobile gaming company, and AliPay associated with everything Alibaba, AliExpress. They're basically, people in China are able to go to the store, buy like a little Steam card, and they load that money up on their phone, and then they can move that money to the Hong Kong exchanges, and there they can load up their money so they can buy their Bitcoin and whatever in crazy amounts. So this is when this kind of thing happens, your government's just better off adopting it instead of trying to tax it, and then people just go around the world, go roundabout, and they just get their coins through Hong Kong instead of directly through China or Chinese exchanges. All right, I want to show you guys another thing I use, Coincalendar. Now I'm gonna try to give you guys all the tools that I use to trade. This is one of my secret tools. Well, it's not that secret, but it's what I use to time a lot of my trades. So let's take a look at it. Basically, this thing shows you everything that's coming up. Here you see Walton Chains having announcements on January 28th. Z Classic has a major announcement. And if I'm looking over here for important stuff, I just get down to the 31st and I see AppC is going to be listed on a new exchange. And Icon's having its annual summit. So based on this, these two pieces of news, AppCoin being listed, Icon being listed. I'd like to hold both those coins before the 31st. And Oyster Pearl has also having a testnet release. That's also a great event. If you have Oyster Pearl, hold it. You should see spikes on Oyster, Icon, and AppC coming up all at the same time. Let's take a quick look at the market real quick. You know what? People have taken their money out for Chinese New Year, and it's time to load up. The great news about Robinhood is basically an institutional investor, I guess you could say. Very important. Robinhood's going to start crypto trading next month, and over 1 million people are going to shove money into crypto in the first time, and they're going to be restricted by 2 choices. And those 2 choices are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I always say hold lots of Bitcoin, hold lots of Ethereum. If you are in these 2, this 1151 is probably going to go to 1400. This 11,700 is probably going to go to 15,000. I fully expect Bitcoin to break 20,000 this year, maybe even closer to 25,000. So definitely load up on your Bitcoin. Guys, I also want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video constitutes financial or legal advice. Please invest responsibly and do your own research with due diligence. Alright guys, I want to thank you. Please like, subscribe, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, check out the website, and thanks for watching guys.